What's up, guys? Back again for our daily pack opening. Brand new Lightning Overdrive. Just dropped. Just open. There we go. So picked up a box. Let's see what we can do. So where's it at? Here it is. So entire set includes 50 commons, 26 supers, 14 ultras, and 10 secrets. So we got 9 cards per pack, 24 packs in here. Boom, there we go. So, first pack. Let's get it. Alright, first up, we've got Sun Avalon. This is Daphne. Here is Damari. I'm going to say at Ignister. Here is S-Force Dog Tag. Starry Night Seal. There we go. There's our super there. We got Warrock Winto. Sunvine Crossbreed. Fuki Biki. I'm going to go with that one. We got Pharaonic Guardian Sphinx. Pharaonic, I'm not sure. Then we got World Soul Carbon. So there you have it, guys. First pack of our brand new Lightning Overdrive just dropped today. Stay tuned. We will go through the rest of this box kind of moving forward. So as always, guys, thanks for watching. See you next time.